Hi everybody, Patrick from Rock Solid Home Inspections. We're here at my own personal home today. Yes, things can happen even at a home inspector's house. We're here today with a very good contractor friend of ours, Eric Law, Gals Concrete. And what we're doing here is we're messing around fixing up a foundation crack. You gotta love Empire Builders. I'm just kidding, Empire. They're actually good. They tend to fix a lot of things. In fact, they're fixing a few things around here right now. But this is one part of the process. Eric is going through right now, and he's basically opening up the crack. When we're doing the crack injection, and Eric will tell you all about this, when we're doing the crack injection, we want to make sure we're getting a good access to the crack itself, creating the ability for that epoxy to be able to create that nice seal. It's painstaking work, and I'm sure he's getting really sick of that hammer and chisel at this point. But the reality is it's a part of the process. What I thought we'd do is highlight one of our contractor referrals with the job and let everybody see exactly what this looks like. I'm hoping to put all this together into a nice video and do a little cross promotion. Eric Law, Gals Concrete. You need shed pads, you need walkways, you need a foundation crack injection. Look no further, because there he is.
Give me a shout.
All right. We'll follow up with some more videos. All right, so now we've got some ports. The ports are now attached to the crack along lines, and Eric's being very specific in where he chooses to put those in regards to the depth of the crack, the size of the crack, where that injection needs to happen most. And now he's going to take what's basically a hydraulic cement and seal that up before the epoxy goes in.
It's a two-part epoxy, actually.
There you go.
The hydraulic cement is something that you really want to stay away from, as it is a porous material because it's stone. Stone cracks, everybody knows that. So if you do hire somebody or you are looking to get a crack fixed and it's not me doing the job, ensure they're using epoxy, no kind of cement material at all.
We're not going to let him hire anybody else, are we? That's just not the way we do this. We're going to keep you posted at the final part of this. Now, you see, we talk about artists, and you know, people are going to tell you you can do your own foundation crack. There's kits. Yeah, that's great. There's kits for a lot of things. The artistry, the painting here, this is what it is. It's a master of a trade, and it's somebody taking the time to do it right. Always remember, folks, good work is not cheap. Cheap work is not good.
That's right.
And now we get into the more important part of the process. This is now our injection. Now that the ports are in, now that the seal is on, we're injecting below into the crack. Or I'm not really doing anything. He's doing all the work. We're getting the injection done in, and that's what's actually going to seal up that crack for us. And then it's all just dry, cure, and there you go. How does a foundation crack injection happen, guys? Well, this is the process. But let me tell you, it all starts with calling this man first and foremost. Gals Concrete, Foundation Crack Repairs. If you are calling anybody else, you're making a mistake. Eric Law, good man. Gals Concrete. I'll make sure we get something over to the website. We're going to share this in the marketing. This is the promotions. This is getting other contractors that we know, trust, and work with out to you to make sure you are well taken care of. And I promise you, if you are working with our friend Eric, you will be well taken care of. That's about it. Take care. Eric, thanks very much for coming. Appreciate it.
No problem. You guys see a crack in your foundation, give me a shout and I'll be right out.
That was good. I like that. That's got to go on the website somewhere. Shed pads, walkways, anything else you happen to need. The man's great. He really is. Thanks for watching the video. Take care, guys.